Futuric Trade Fair and Events Private Limited, and we, along with Exhibition Trade Services India Private Limited, jointly organizing the fourth edition of Uganda Buildcon International Exhibition. In collaboration with the Ministry of Lands, Housing and Urban Development, and with the support of our esteemed partners, we are proud to host the fourth edition of Uganda Buildcon International Exhibition 2025. Following the success of third edition last year, we are excited to return with an even more dynamic and impactful exhibition. This year's exhibition will comprehensively showcase the latest products and innovations in architecture, building, construction, design, engineering, and wood products, serving the growing needs of Uganda and the broader East African region. The Uganda Buildcon Expo 2025 will take place from 7th to 9th of August, the next Thursday, Friday, Saturday, at the Multipurpose Hall, Uma Showgrounds, Lugogo, Kampala, with daily timings from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. And the visitors entry is 100% free. This year, the theme for this exhibition is Building for the Future, Innovation, Sustainability and Technology. This exhibition is Uganda's largest and most focused international exhibition in this sector, backed by strong institutional and industry support. We are honored to have the official support of Ministry of Lands, Housing and Urban Development, National Housing Construction Company, Uganda National Association of Builders, Suppliers and Engineering Contractors, Institution of Surveyors of Uganda, Uganda Manufacturers Association, Engineers Registration Board, Uganda Society of Architects and Uganda Institute of Professional Engineers. We would like to say a very special thanks to our esteemed sponsors, the gold sponsors, that is Goangren Wood Company, and the bronze sponsor is Eurofoam Company. We also acknowledge Lenestra Enterprises Uganda Limited, our dedicated the event, and they have been doing immense hard work from the past 4 years in gathering the local exhibitors from Uganda and also doing their valuable contribution in the international players to bring in the exhibition. This year, we are proud to host 150 plus participating brands from countries including Uganda, India, Kenya, China, UK, UAE, Sri Lanka, Kuwait, Tanzania, Turkey, and many more. Participants include leading manufacturers, dealers, and service providers from across the building and construction spectrum. I am pleased to announce that the official opening ceremony will take place on 10th July 2025 from 10 a.m. onwards at the Multipurpose Hall in Uma Showgrounds. That will be graced by senior officials from the Ministry of Lands, Housing and Urban Development, our partners, sponsors, exhibitors and distinguished guests. Through this platform, we invite all stakeholders, industry leaders and businesses in the building and construction sector to join us. This is a unique opportunity to explore, connect and engage with cutting-edge solutions and collaborations that will shape the future of infrastructure and the wood industry in the region. In conclusion, I extend my heartfelt thanks to all of you for attending today's official press conference. We look forward to welcoming you at the exhibition next week. Thank you and see you at Uganda Buildcon Expo 2025. A very thank you. I would like to invite Director Sir to come here and